Hello. Hey y'all. It's Tonia Allen and I am doing a Dollar Tree and Halloween fall haul. Did I say that right? Anyway, it has been a very long week and I have been exhausted at work. So I am excited that I have tomorrow off and tonight I can play with some Dollar Tree stuff and see what I can make and show y'all. So let me show you what I got at Dollar Tree and some ideas that I have with some of my stuff. So I did get 3 of these corn. I think they're so stinking cute. And they're metal. So there's all kinds of things we can do. I mean, I can put them in a wreath or stick them outside or put them in some plants or, I don't know. Y'all, I probably should not be doing this video right now because I'm super tired. But I really wanted to do it. I'm in a good mood. Work is over. Excuse me just a second. Oh, look at there. Put my bra back in. I got a few of these. They look so fake though. That's the only thing. I mean, they're like, not that I'm gonna put real corn cobs in, you know, my wreaths, but I don't know. I just think maybe I can do something to them to make them look a little bit more real. I mean, a little more, less cheap, less Dollar Tree-ish. Something. I think I'm gonna do something. Stay tuned for that one for sure. And, oh, I got some signs. I was excited because I'm going to do, see how cute that is, y'all? Black Hat Society. That is just darling. And I mean, $1 compared to what it would be at other places. But anyway, I'm going to do a big wreath and I'm going to do it in orange and black and real cool purple ribbon that I found at Dollar Tree, of course. So that wreath I'll be able to show you. And I had this sign, friends gather here. I love it. It's so simple, nice and sweet. There's not anything I really need to do to it. I'll probably cover them holes maybe, I don't know, but I really like it. I may put it in a wreath, I don't know. Yes, 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 I do not know what I'm gonna do until I do it. Okay, so this little box is so stinking cute. Pumpkin spice and everything nice season. $1. Yo, it's just, and some things blow my mind. I mean, some things are $1, you know, like this, this. I mean, that's $1, you know. But you add a little paint to it and make it cute, and it'll be a nice, cute little Halloween decor piece, as well as this Halloween piece. So I'm excited about both of those. I will be doing something cool with those, and I think I might have shown you those. I don't know. I'm just gonna paint them. I like the size of them, so I wanted to paint those. I got 2 more of these because I'm gonna do a different project, and I just wanted this size of the thing I need for my project. I know I'm moving around a lot, y'all. I'm really sorry, but if y'all saw my area right here and how horribly disastrously messy it is and unorganized, I should be ashamed of myself. I'm not ashamed of myself, but I should be ashamed of myself. Okay, so I got these little acorns. Cute, love them. Don't know what I'll do with them. I'll probably, I don't know, that moment there, I was thinking if I'm gonna like glam them up, or am I just gonna make them just country acorns like they are, you know. I got this because this can be taken off, and I did something with rabbits, bunny ears last year at Easter, so I have an idea of what I want to do with this one. So this will be a cute little project. Very simple stuff that I can handle. Now these 2 things, yo. I don't know if I've never seen this ever at Dollar Tree. 2 things. 2 things. I know y'all are thinking it's the same thing. It's not. This is silver. I've never seen a silver wreath. And then this is the size you always get, right? This is the size you see. Please. Look, I mean, look. Look, y'all. There was one. It wasn't even in the wreath area. How have I never seen any of them this big, y'all? Please, if y'all know why I found a wreath holder thingy, whatever, this size in Dollar Trees, please comment and tell me down below. Why did I see this? Is this like a special Christmas time thing that I just don't know about and I got it early for Halloween and fall? And this silver one, I've never seen a silver one. I know I'm taking a lot of time talking about this silver stuff, but I've never seen these, y'all. And I go to Dollar Tree a lot. So I did get this little pumpkin, or actually very large pumpkin. But I've got a project I'm going to do with that. And I did get this platter. So I have a project I'm going to do with this as well. You could do so many things with this, y'all. So many things. But anyway, I do have an idea of what I want to do. I am so silly. Mesh tubes, okay? Never worked with them ever. Never have I seen a project done with them. I know y'all are probably thinking I'm crazy that I haven't, but I have not. And I'm not going to. I'm not going to Google any. I'm not going to research any. I'm just going to buy a bunch of them. And then I'm going to buy a bunch of them, and I'm going to go crazy and see what comes out. I have no idea what I'm going to create with them, but I did buy the brown and the orange and the green. So we'll see. You know, I really thought that I was going to stay away from all these traditional fall colors. I really wanted to do like a different fall color scheme through my house. I did a lot of pink stuff, which is real different, but it only goes like in my, it only matches the decor in my bedroom. So it's all going to have to go in the bedroom. And then I keep gravitating towards all of these colors, these oranges and these greens, like I do every year. And you know what? Oh, I'm just going to do what I want to do. I'm too old just to try to do what the, you know, next big color is or whatever. I just do what I want to do. And if people don't like it, then they can, you know, not like it. I don't mind. I'm perfectly okay with that. Okay, so I bought a bunch more mesh. I don't know where my mind goes sometimes, y'all. But I said at the beginning, oh, well, I probably didn't say it out loud, but I did not want to do any cuts in this video. I want to do the whole video with no cuts, all my mistakes and everything, unless it's just a horrendous mistake, like I'm cussing somebody out or something. Not that I would have anybody here at my house that I would cuss out, but okay. Should I delete that one? No. All right. Anyway, more mesh. So I bought all different colors of mesh. I bought more ribbon. This is duplicates of some of the stuff I've already shown y'all. Except I did get these little pumpkins. That's not duplicate. And this is not duplicate. Although I'm certain I've bought this other times in Dollar Tree, along with everything else that I've had duplicates of. Sorry, sometimes my mouth does not continue saying what my mind is trying to speak. Anyway, leaves. I bought several of those. Not several, like there's several in a package, and I bought like a couple of 3 maybe, and I think I have 2. But anyway, more leaves than I need, but if I need them, they're there. think that's where the Dollar Tree addiction problem comes in that people talk about. Anyway, and I couldn't remember if I showed y'all these last time, and they're so cute. I just had to show you again because they're still sitting on the same place that they were last time I did the video. Because of my mess. But they're so cute. So I am going to do something with them like I am everything else in this room. I promise. I promise my husband I will be doing crafts with all of it. But anyway, I think that's it, y'all. Oh, I forgot. I love her. She's so pretty. Anyway, I am going to do a wreath. I lived in Texas, and I think I'm going to give this as a gift with a wreath behind it for a friend of mine at work. Okay, so that is the end of the video. Did somebody come in? Did someone come in?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, let me finish my video because I'm not cutting it off. Okay, so that was my daughter. So, I know that lasted and you've probably not even watching anymore, but anyway. This is Tonia Allen from It's Tonia Allen, and I hope everyone enjoyed my haul. And I'm sorry it was kind of crazy and everywhere and no rhyme or reason at times, but that's kind of how my life is as well. Sometimes I'm just everywhere, especially when it comes to my crafting. Crazy. Okay, so bye y'all. Thank you for watching, and next time I'll hopefully do a craft video instead of a haul video. And thanks for watching all the other videos. Bye.